guys. Day 20, I think, on the Appalachian Trail, 2021. Very cold last night, into the 20s. I am currently waiting for my tent to thaw. It's frozen on the outside and also on the inside from condensation. The tension lines are even frozen. So, let those thaw for a little while. Hopefully it warms up at least above freezing pretty quick. Shake it out a little bit, and then we'll get hiking. Not a big day today. I'm just going to do 12 miles since my tent's frozen, and I'm going to wait around a little while. So guys, much clearer today. Fog is lifted. It's supposed to be a gorgeous day out, so we'll see what happens. My hands are getting cold just holding this phone. So I'm going to put the phone away, and again, waiting for the tent to thaw. Jelly bean thawing. Alright everybody, got out of camp a little late today. I was hoping my tent would thaw. Yeah, it really didn't. So I finally packed up, got out just after 9. But that's okay. Not in any big rush today. 12 miles, 4,000 feet of ascent, and like 30 something hundred feet of descent. So, gonna be an up and down day just like every other day. But there's a shelter 3 miles from where I was last night, and a second 6 miles. Sorry, I'm crossing a slippery, watery area. So I'm going to stop at one of those shelters, try to get my tent out, dry it out a little bit, and I'll take a little break, eat a little something. Yep, sun shining, still lots of mud, but looks like it's going to be a pretty day. So hopefully I can show you guys some views today. So, alright, I'm going to keep hiking. Well folks, I'm at Russell Smith or Stover, something like this shelter. Got my tent drying on the sign over there from all the condensation and frost last night. A little 3 miles in so far. So, like I said, I'm only going to do 12 miles today. So, no big rush. Pretty sunny day. So, yeah, just sitting here at the shelter. Had a little ramen. Wait for the tent to dry a few more minutes, and then I'll head on out. So, Rocky Top Mountain's coming up. So, you're going to have to hear me sing. Sorry about that one, but just got to happen. All right, guys. We'll see you on trail. Well, as you see, everybody, even the trail, got lots of ice on it. It's been real cold and rainy lately. Last night it was down to like 25. And it was just wet as heck. Fog, kind of sprinkled off and on. But today, nice and sunny. Tonight, in the 20s again. But hopefully it won't be as wet and cold. Yesterday with that fog, it was just cold. So, Smokies, March. Yeah, kind of wish I'd waited to start in April, but I didn't want to be behind everybody. So, here's what it is, right? Take a drink, people. That's okay, I don't mind. My quilt's 10 degree. I felt good and warm in my quilt, in the tent, with my balaclava. Even had my sleep booties on last night, so not bad. Should be a shelter coming up again here in a little while. Then I'll mark halfway. And I'm going slow today. Don't have a lot of energy for some reason today. Guess that cold maybe sucked it out of me yesterday. But that's alright, even if I get to camp at 4, 4:30 even. That's plenty early enough. I'm no rush. Trail isn't going anywhere. God, it sure is pretty with the blue sky above me today. Just ice and snow all over the place. Alrighty, Rocky Top Mountain's coming up in another, I think, mile and a half, which means I have like an 800-foot climb to get up there, but that's where I'm heading, Rocky Top, Tennessee. Alright, everybody, this is the view from Rocky Top Mountain. That's pretty much it.
But it lasts like 3.5 hours too, so it's not bad. Yeah, it's not the worst thing in the world.
Then we'll show you the other side from Thunder Mountain. But you had to get it, even if you don't want to hear it. Rocky Top. Oh, we know the damn song. So I guess you guys luck out. You don't have to hear me sing. So, all right, guys. Rocky Top Mountain, Rocky Top, Tennessee. That's all I got. Okay, guys. So that was Rocky Top, right over there. I'm just about to the top of Thunder Mountain now. So I'll show you the view when I get over there. All right, everybody. I'm gonna tell you this. AT's kicking my ass today. And yesterday a little bit too. These downs are no fun. With all the mud and the rock. I normally go pretty damn quick on the downs. I'm going slower, I think, on the downs than the up. And trust me, I'm slow on the ups. Yeah. So I think it's about 2.5-ish miles to the shelter I'm staying at. Can't remember the name. I'll tell you when I get there. But I tell you, Smokies are kicking my butt so far. The mud and the rocks. Yeah. So, at least you guys can see a little something today, huh? Better than the last few days. All that rain and fog. So, alright guys, I'm going to keep hiking because it's basically all uphill. With the bad downhills. Alright guys, I'm going to keep going. That way, north. Well, folks, made it to Derricks Knob Shelter. Pretty nice shelter, too. All stone. A fireplace there. Place to sit in front of the fire. Place to cook out here with some benches. More benches and fire pit outside and lots of logs. So now we just got to find a place to set our tent up and we're going to be sweet. Alright, guys. Made it to camp. Time to set it up. All right, everybody, about 7 o'clock, sun's going down. Went from Mollies Ridge Shelter to Derricks Knob Shelter. Tomorrow, not sure how far I'm going to go. Clingman Dome is technically tomorrow, but I kind of re-injured an old injury in my foot today. So I'm not sure if I want to push over Clingman's Dome and another tall peak at the end of the day. So I may do a short day tomorrow. No rush. Just depends how we feel and how the foot is and, you know, how the trail is. So I'll decide tomorrow. But sun's going down. Time for Jelly Bean to hit the rack. Still a nice day of hiking. It was tough. It was beating my bum. I ain't gonna lie. The climbs may be taller and longer in the PCT, but man, these rocks and the roots and the mud are really taking the toll on me. So, hey, that's all right. I just have to get used to it. So, all right, guys, you have a great evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are, and we'll see you tomorrow on trail. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you tomorrow. Wait a few minutes, take a picture of the sunset, see what it looks like, and we'll see you tomorrow on trail.